Letters patent are official legal documents issued by a government or monarch that grant specific rights, privileges, or authority to an individual or organization. The term patent in this context refers not just to intellectual property, as with inventions, but also to a wide range of grants historically provided for various purposes. Here's a closer look at what they entail. Types of letters patent. Inventions and intellectual property. In the modern context, letters patent are often associated with patents for inventions. They provide the inventor with exclusive rights to their invention for a certain period. Land and titles. Historically, letters patent were used to grant ownership or rights to land, nobility titles, and other privileges. Charters and public office. Letters patent have also been issued to grant individuals the right to hold a public office, establish corporations, or perform specific functions on behalf of the government. Characteristics. Public record. Letters patent are meant to be an open, public declaration. They are intended to be publicly accessible and provide clear, documented rights. Issued under seal. Typically, letters patent are issued under the seal of the issuing authority, making them legally binding documents. Royal and governmental authority. Historically, letters patent were granted by kings, queens, or heads of state and could carry considerable legal and social weight. Examples in modern context. United States patents. The U.S. Patent and Trademark Office issues letters patent to inventors, giving them exclusive rights to make, use, and sell their invention for a limited time. Land ownership. In some places, letters patent have been used to grant land to settlers, universities, and other institutions, usually recorded as part of the historical land registry. In essence, letters patent serve as a formal, legally recognized means to grant rights or privileges, reflecting a blend of historical tradition and legal authority. Welcome to today's deep dive on letters patent and their unique role in financial autonomy. We're exploring how these documents can help you navigate and optimize the commercial credit and debt system that surrounds us. At its core, our financial system operates largely on letters of credit. Checking accounts, savings accounts, loans, these are based on credit rather than tangible assets. Letters patent, however, are different. They're about taking actual control of your financial standing and establishing a claim to real assets. Essentially, it's about transitioning from reliance on credit to having tangible, secure financial grounding. When you're working with letters patent, understanding their full context is essential. These documents represent a special authorization, so before anything, make sure you're gathering the right resources, like constitutional references or other legal documentation, to back your process. Submitting these to a federal district court rather than a bankruptcy court helps to safeguard your position by avoiding any pitfalls tied to typical credit lines or debt assumptions. So, how do you actually implement this? A first key step involves certified mail. When you send documents this way, you're creating a deposit and keeping a clear paper trail of every interaction, essential for record keeping. From there, you can reference these deposit numbers in your letters patent documentation to solidify your standing. The process may seem complex at first, but it's about building autonomy. Each action you take is a step toward reclaiming control over your finances in a meaningful way. I'll break down these steps in future sessions, focusing on everything from annotations, preparing your paperwork, and structuring communications with officials. Stay tuned as we continue exploring this important topic. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.